Did you know that something as simple as bullet journaling can help improve your time management skills, make you more organized, make you creative, help visualize your goals, and feel more accomplished? But how exactly can a to-do list looking journal can help you achieve so much? Hello guys, I'm Keshwa Intenika, your mentor, and today I'm going to show you how bullet journaling can transform your student life and make it super easy. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Now you might think journaling is boring, but I guess you will change your mind after knowing that our favorite witch, Hermione Granger, that is Emma Watson, not only journals, but she has 10 different personal journals. Not just her, but celebrities like Lady Gaga, Jennifer Aniston, Joseph Gordon-Levitt have used the power of journaling to transform their lives. So now let's start with the main question. What is bullet journal? A bullet journal is a day planner plus diary plus to-do list plus monthly calendar plus notes, but also so much more. Bullet journaling can help turn chaos into streamlined system to help you be more productive and reach all your goals. It also gives you a chance to explore your creative side, as this next level diary is not only for writing but also for drawing. A bullet journal also contains sections to track both physiological and mental health and record both short and long-term goals. What are the benefits of bullet journaling? When you use pens to write in a bullet journal, study shows that it helps in boosting your memory. Using the right spreads and pages will help you keep all your tasks, study and priorities in one place. With a lack of distracting apps, you will already be more productive. You will be more self-aware as you learn about your habits, moods and motivations, which is a brilliant life skill. This will instantly reduce your stress levels too, as you will be more organized. So what should you be adding to your journal to reap all the benefits? All your goals for the academic year or just in life. A to-do list for your chores, assignments, study and others. Noting down the tough subjects and what you need to focus on or practice. Penning down all your skills and what new ones you can learn this year. Your timetable for school and the day. A morning routine tracker. A weekend planner. And the best way to maintain a bullet journal is to also use colors. If you don't think you're creative enough, it's fine. The main thing is to express yourself. Don't stress and just go with the flow. So friends, what's one thing we have missed and you would like to add to your journal? Let us know in the comments below. And if you already journal, mail us the best page of your journal to be featured in the next bullet journaling video. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and keep learning with Letstute, because we make it easy.